All right, today we're going to dive into a system called NowOS. It's making some pretty big claims about being a total game changer for online marketers, basically by automating all of the stuff that takes up so much of our time. So let's see what this is really all about. Let's just start with this question because it's a big one. What if your marketing just did its own thing? Imagine that. No more juggling a dozen different tasks every single day. If you've ever felt completely buried by the grind of online promotion, well, this is the exact problem they're trying to solve. And yeah, that marketer's grind is so real. It's this messy combination of crazy high costs, tech nightmares, and feeling like you have to be a content creation machine 24/7. Let's actually break down what that looks like for most people. So the problem really starts with what we call the tech stack. You know the drill. You're paying for a page builder over here, an email autoresponder over there, web hosting somewhere else, and the list goes on. But the real nightmare? Trying to get all those different tools to talk to each other. It just leads to massive monthly bills and, honestly, a ton of frustration. You know, this quote from the source material just hits the nail on the head. You gotta duct tape everything together to make it all work. That perfectly describes how clunky and inefficient it feels. It's a huge time waster. Okay, so that's the problem. How does NowOS say they're going to fix this? Well, the whole idea is to build you an automated marketing engine, putting everything you actually need all under one roof. The first piece of this puzzle is what they call done-for-you personal branding. The system is set up to build you a professional, branded blog site almost instantly. Seriously. You just upload a picture, fill out some basic info, and boom, it creates a site that makes you look like an authority in your space from day one. Next up is the content, which for many people is the hardest part. Well, the system automatically creates and posts articles that are optimized for search engines, all about popular topics, like making money from home. The whole point is to start ranking on Google and pull in that free organic traffic, all without you having to write a single word. And this all-in-one idea keeps going. It even covers your email marketing. The system has its own built-in way to capture leads and automatically send follow-up emails. This means you can ditch those third-party tools like Aweber or GetResponse, which saves you money, and the massive headache of messing with things like API codes. So if the branding is done for you, the content is done for you, and the email follow-up is done for you, what in the world is left for you to do? Well, this is what leads to their so-called post and profit system. It really boils down to this super simple path. Step 1, the system does its thing, creating and posting all that SEO content. Step 2, your main job is just to share your new branded site. And step 3, as you share it, you naturally start to grow your audience and, with it, your potential commissions. I mean, this quote really says it all, doesn't it? When you take away all those technical roadblocks and the constant need to create content, your job becomes incredibly focused. It's just about sharing. The system handles pretty much everything else. Okay, there's one more really important piece to this whole thing, and it's all about timing. Right now, the system is in a pre-launch phase, and according to the source material, this creates a very time-sensitive opportunity for anyone who gets in early. Whoa, that's a pretty intense statement, right? Every single moment you wait, you are literally losing money. They're not messing around. It's meant to create this massive sense of urgency, saying that waiting isn't just a missed opportunity, it's an actual financial loss. So why the big rush? It all comes down to something they call the Friday placement system. Here's how it works. Every single Friday, they place all the new members into the company's structure or downline. Now, here's the key. If you join before that Friday cutoff, anyone who signs up after you that week, and we're talking about people brought in by the entire company, not just you, can get placed below you. And in this type of system, that positioning is absolutely critical for your earning potential. So what does it cost to get in on this and lock in your spot before that Friday deadline? You might want to sit down for this. It's $10. Yeah, just $10. That incredibly low price is obviously designed to make it a total no-brainer to secure your position right now. So, to wrap it all up, you've got this automated marketing machine on one side, designed to get rid of that daily grind. And on the other, you've got this super time-sensitive structure that's all about rewarding the people who take action first. The opportunity is here. The only real question left is, where will you be when placement day comes around?